sound. Hey, I'm Olo. Do you know why your stomach growls? It happens at the worst times. Like during a quiet test, your stomach is actually empty when it makes that loud noise. Hunger contractions squeeze everything inside, moving trapped air around. This peristalsis movement pushes gas and digestive juices steadily forward. The sloshing liquid creates sound, just like water in pipe. Doctors call this borborygmi, a fancy word for stomach rumbling. It's just your body working. Tell me your embarrassing stories below.